Okay, so I've changed the functionality of the synchronizer, so now that when you're sewing with the needle in up position, you push the heel, there's no inverse function, okay? But let's put it in down position, sewing, needle's down, and when you want to stop, up, needle goes up. I changed the inverse function by, let me explain it again, okay? Can you point the camera right here, please? Okay, so there's 4 screws over here. You're going to loosen all of the screws on the inside of the ring right here, okay? You're going to put the machine either in all the way the up position or the down position, okay? And then you're going to turn this little wheel right here, aluminum wheel, until you have a light glowing. But make sure you don't turn the wheel, just this ring right here, okay? After you turn it and the light is here, and the light is on, you're going to tighten all the screws, but make sure that this thing is pushed all the way in, because it's very tight over here, okay? So it has to stay on, so you know, make sure that there's pressure. And then tie all the screws, and if you wanted to do the opposite of how you set it up right here, just do the same thing. Just loosen all the screws, then put the hand wheel all the way down so the needle's in the down position, push this in, tie all the screws, and you'll have a different inverse function. Thank you very much from Atlas Levy Sewing Machines, and I'll see you next time. Sewing machines, today we're going to do a video demonstrations of the synchronizer for the Atlas servo motor. When you install your motor, the functionality of the synchronizer will be, well, you can have it set up 2 different ways, okay? So when you set it up, let's say you put the needle all the way up, and then you turn the synchronizer wheel on the side over here until you have a red LED glowing. It means when you do the inverse function of the pedal, the needle will go up. If you put the hand wheel all the way down and then turn the little wheel right here until the light glows, and then you tighten all the screws, the inverse function will be that the needle goes up. Okay, so I'll show you what I mean right now. So first, after you install your synchronizer, here's how you enable it. You click PS, you go to 4, you click S, plus to put it on, click S to save it. Then you go up to ND, you click S, you put it on 2, click S, then you go to NE, click S, put it on. This is for the inverse function. Put it on, click S, click P. Okay, so the synchronizer has been enabled. Let's test it out. See, up position, up position, up position. You can do step by step, it'll always be in up position. Now, if you want to have it stop, well, if you sewing with it stopping in the up position, and then you want to turn your material, since we enabled the inverse function, which is the NE, you can push your heel down, needle will go down, and then you lift, turn, and you can start sewing again. Now, to put it into down position, all you have to do is you have to click S, and the needle will be down. See? Down. But there's no inverse function. You see, when you click the heel, it doesn't go up. So to make the inverse one is down for the needle to go up, when you set it up over here, you have to set it up initially in the up position. Thank you very much from Atlas Levy Sewing Machines, and if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to call. Thank you and have a nice day. Bye-bye.